The Ceylon National Chamber of Industries, recognizing the role of the industrial sector in Sri Lanka's economic development, has been organizing the CNCI Achiever Awards for Industrial Excellence in collaboration with the Ministry of Industry and Entrepreneurship Development. This year marks the 24th edition of the awards. The purpose of this awards event is to promote, recognize, and encourage the Sri Lankan industrial sector. In the current global context, it is essential that the government and private sector organizations such as the CNCI work together to strengthen local industries. Support should focus on building capacity, fostering innovation, facilitating expansion, and improving access to new markets. A resilient and competitive industrial base is not only an economic priority, it is a national necessity. The strength of our industries determines our ability to create jobs, reduce imports, and secure sustainable economic growth for our people. Recognition through awards plays an important role in this effort. Honoring industrial excellence acknowledges the work of entrepreneurs and encourages continuous improvement across the sector. Chambers and trade associations have a responsibility to create opportunities for growth and provide practical support to entrepreneurs, especially in the micro, small, and medium enterprise sector. Sri Lanka has many SMEs with strong potential, and they must be supported to realize it. As policy makers, we must ensure that these enterprises have access to finance, technology, and skills development. When small industries thrive, communities thrive. The success of local entrepreneurs ultimately strengthens the foundation of our national economy. At the same time, it is crucial that we create inclusive pathways for all to participate fully in the industrial sector. As you know, women play a significant role in production, management, innovation, and design, yet their contribution often remains under-recognized. Increasing women's participation in industry, whether as workers, managers, or entrepreneurs, is not only a matter of fairness, but of economic strategy. When women have equal access to resources, training, and leadership opportunities, the entire industry ecosystem benefits through higher productivity, innovation, and social impact. The CNCI and all industry stakeholders can play a key role in promoting gender equality within the sector. Under the National People's Power Government, we are committed to advancing women's economic participation through concrete policies and institutional reforms. Our focus is on creating an enabling environment for women entrepreneurs and workers across all sectors, including industry, and I request my colleagues in Cabinet to make special efforts to ensure that women's participation in the industries is recognized and valued. This includes improving access to credit and financial services, expanding vocational and technical training, ensuring equal pay for equal work, and addressing barriers such as unpaid care responsibilities that limit women's participation in the workforce. We are also working to strengthen gender-responsive industrial policies that support women-led enterprises and promote inclusive growth. These measures are not viewed as welfare initiatives, but as essential components of a sustainable and equitable national development strategy. Entrepreneurs contribute significantly to economic and social development. They generate employment, you generate employment, drive economic growth, and introduce new products, services, and ideas that support progress in multiple sectors. As I was standing here handing out the awards, there were many brands that I recognize and have become part of our lives. So it's really wonderful to see that these industries are flourishing and contributing to our daily lives as well. They also remind us that development is not only about numbers, but about people, their creativity, perseverance, and commitment to progress. Every successful enterprise tells a story of courage, innovation, and hard work. Recognizing and guiding local industries is therefore essential. The Achiever Award scheme, with its evaluation criteria covering productivity, quality assurance, employee welfare, environmental compliance, and social responsibility, provides a comprehensive framework for recognizing industrial excellence. Participating companies gain insights into their strengths and areas for improvement, helping them to enhance overall performance. The Achiever Awards contribute to greater efficiency, growth, and productivity within the industrial sector. I thank the National Chamber of Industries for its continued efforts to recognize and encourage Sri Lankan industrialists.
பண்ணுங்க